live. First of all, good afternoon from my side. Sorry, good evening from my side, and I would like to greet each of you. Pleasant good day wherever you are in this world, in the world, wherever you are in the world. This will be my first go live for our online business that I've been doing for quite some time now. That would be entitled The Real Stories of Real People Doing Real Business. So before I go ahead, let me introduce myself first. My name is Carmi from the Philippines, and I am the face behind my Facebook page, a single mom of three amazing boys, a former OFW for 15 years, and a full-time employee and a proud digital business owner. Today, I have invited a guest, fellow business owner. So let me introduce her to you. She is a remarkable woman whose journey inspired us all. She has been in the UK for 22 years, now working as a healthcare assistant. She has demonstrated resiliency and dedication to her job. She is also a Filipina, just like me, from Gimba, Nueva Ecija, and also a proud digital business owner. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome a fellow digital business owner with her grace, passion, and strength from United Kingdom, bringing a lot of experience that will enlighten us in today's session. And looking forward to an inspiring and valuable learning and shared experience. Let us all welcome Sis Marley Eden. Hi, sis.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you, Carmi. Thank you for inviting me here. I am excited. It's an honor to be in this page. Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm
thank you.
excited.
Welcome, sis. Okay, sis. I would like you to introduce yourself and greet our audience on our live video. Sis Marley?
Hi, everyone. Good afternoon, anywhere part of the world. I'm here again. Thank you, Carmi. Thank you. My name is Merly Eden. I'm a single mother of three grown-up children. I have two grandchildren now, yes. And my job is a healthcare assistant. I work in United Kingdom. Of course, I am successful digital business owner and mentor. Originally, I live from the Philippines. Tubuho akong Nueva Ecija and I am Ilocana from Gimba.
Same, sis. Same with me. Same. Thank you very much, sis, for that very nice introduction. Since we are both you are my fellow digital business owner. I have some questions sa'yo dito sa how, kung paano ka nag-start dito sa ating online business na to. So I wanted to know, what is your biggest why behind this digital business, and how are how are you inspired running this online business?
I inspired when I was watching, when I was, nung napanood ko yung 90 minutes complimentary webinar, I said to myself, wow, that's an amazing. Hindi ko alam, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ito na yung aking hinahanap na matagal dahil matagal akong nagsa-search sa internet. Years and years, wala akong makita talaga. This is true. This is real story. This is real talk. Sorry. Sa tagal-tagal na panahon na naghahanap ako talaga dahil ayaw ko naman maghanap ng ibang online business o mag-apply ng personal job na additional boss. Kasi ang mangyari nun, additional tax. So, lahat nung sasahurin mo, kasi dalawa na yung job mo, mapupunta lahat sa tax. So, useless. So, nag-hang up lang ako kahit na-struggle ako sa aking mga budget, struggle ako sa mga bills o whatsoever sa aming buhay, sa aking buhay, because I am a single mom only and I am the only one find sa sustain sa bahay. Nagtiis talaga ako at one day, nakita ko At accidentally nakita kami ng aking kaibigang Pilipina. She introduced that 90 minutes complimentary webinar as an exciting moment, But I am skeptical, that? Skeptical is, hindi mo yan mawawala sa ating sarili pag, bago
Yes,
tayo.
that's true.
Lahat tayo curious sa isang bagay. Pero itong
Tama.
tandaan natin, guys, curiosity that is the exciting moment to start the beginning for changes of our life. Mabuti na lang
Yes.
mabuti na lang, pinanood ko, nag-register muna ako, pinanood ko,
Mm-hmm.
pinag-aralan ko. At
Mm-hmm.
nag-shout ako sa mentor ko para i-assist niya ako. So, my mentor, she's a nice woman. She's assisting me every single I need here. So,
Yes.
kaya nang nangyari, pinag-aralan ko, tiningnan ko, pinanood ko, very inspiring talaga. It's good. I said, this is it now. This is it. I think this is for me. So, nag-sign in ako. Diyan, nag-umpisa ako within 2 weeks.
Okay.
Kuha ko yung business ID ko. And then I build in my own website. And then I ran my campaign, likes campaign, and then so on. Guys, this is a amazing business I never seen in my life. This is the biggest, real, legitimate business anywhere in the world. Wala na hong iba. Napakagandang business na ito. Sobra. And my big why, that's why I registered in this business. The reason is my children. Because nag-abroad ako, hindi ko alam ang kapalaran ko rito sa abroad. Lahat tayo na mga OFW, overseas worker, di natin alam kung ano ang kapalaran natin, madadatnan natin sa lugar na pupuntahan natin. Biruin mo, 1,000 of miles. Alam niyo yun,
Tama.
35,000 of miles. Parating ka doon sa lugar na yan na wala kang alam no kahit sino. Wala. So, ang ginawa ko, nagtiis ako, nagtiyaga, nagsumikap. Inisip ko para ito sa aking mga anak. Dahil matagal na akong nagtatrabaho, walang changes ang aking buhay. Sobra. Kung kayo, ang nasa kalagayan ko, siguro, give up kayo. But for me, I never give up. I am a
Yes.
fighter woman dahil sabi ko sa sarili ko, Lord, tulungan mo ako. Huwag mo akong pababayaan. Sabi ko, dahil ako lang nag-iisa ang nagbibigay ng support sa aking mga anak. Mahirap man, pero gagawin ko dahil para sa kinabukasan ng aking mga anak. Lord, ikaw lang ang alam kong makakatulong sa akin. Sabi ko, talagang nagdasal ako. Hindi ako
Yes,
nagla-live.
yes.
Nagdasal talaga ako ng taimtiman. Bawat lagi na lang ako doon sa simbahan para
Yun.
manghihingi sa kanya ng advice, ng support. Dahil ang routine ng buhay ko lang ay trabaho, shopping, market, at bahay sa mga anak, yun lang. And then rest, tapos balik na naman sa trabaho. I am a devoted, hardworking mother for my children para lang maibigay ko ang sapat na support sa kanila. Kasi 'pag hindi ako pumasok, hindi ako ng oras ng pasok ko, biruin niyo lahat ng struggle ng oras, working hours, long hours, 50, 60, 70. Yan ay tinatrabaho ko para masuportahan ko ang aking 3 anak. At ang budgeting, nag-budget ako, pinagtutugma ko yan until and then naman nagtipid kami para magkasya ang aking sinasahod. Hindi naman kami nagpalya ng kumain, marami kaming kinakain, masarap dahil nag-o-overtime ako. Nang dahil sa tulong ng Diyos, hindi kami pinabayaan at naging maganda ang aking katawan, hindi naman ako nagkasakit hanggang sa sila ay nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Namuhay kami sa paycheck to paycheck. Oo, sobrang hirap. Pero gusto kong magampanan ang responsibilidad ko sa aking mga anak at mabigyan ng mas magandang edukasyon ng aking mga anak in that time, nang maliliit pa sila, sixth form until university. So, God guide me and help me in this amazing journey in my life. Tapos nang nakita ko ang business na ito, sabi ko, "This is the solution of my problem. This is it now." So, pinag-aralan ko katulad ng sinabi ko kanina at hindi ako nagkamali. Siya ay legit at nagbawas na din ho ako ng
Yes,
oras.
legit.
Yeah, nagbawas ako ng oras nang ako'y nandito na sa business na ito. Dahil 'pag hindi ako nagbawas, hindi ko rin magagawa 'yan dahil loaded na ako, wala na akong time talaga. Kahit na matulog na nga, nagtatrabaho pa ako, eh. So, nung nakita ko yung business na yeah, this is true. Pero nung nakita ko yung business na ito, this is the solution of my problem. Nakapagbawas ako ng trabaho, nakapagpahinga, nagkaroon ako ng time sa aking sarili, sa aking mga anak dahil nung maliliit sila, simula nung sanggol, iba na yung nag-alaga sa kanila. Mahirap yung mga anak na hindi natin sila nasubaybayan, sobrang hirap. Magkakaroon ng diferensya yung yung paglaki nila ay iba yung magulang na tumitingin kaysa kasi hindi yung binabayaran mo lang. Pero
Tama.
ang tumingin man sa aking mga anak noon ay mga, pamilya ko. But then after that, nung nawala na yung mga magulang ko at ano na kami na kailangan kami mag-sacrifice sa aming mga sarili, nag-abroad ako nang hindi ko alam kung anong magagawa ko sa buhay ko. But I'm here now, fast forward, I'm here. Nasacrifice ko yung aking mga anak, nagtulong-tulungan kaming lahat dito at yun nga, simula nung nandito ako sa business na ito, I am happy I found this business, an amazing business. Nagkaroon din ako ng apo dahil yung mga anak ko malalaki na sila, grown up. May dalawa akong apo. Nagkaroon din ako ng time sa kanila dahil 'pag hindi ako nagbawas talaga, wala talaga akong time. At nakakarating na rin ako sa ibang ibang lugar at amazing, grabe, tuwang-tuwa ako. At isa pa I'm preparing my golden years. It's time to prepare my golden years dahil sa sobrang dami kong obligasyon sa pamilya, hindi ko na malaman, hindi ko akalain ay sobra na ah, yung mga ginagawa ko ay if you think, you go back ba na tingnan niyo kung ano yung magiging future, matanda ka na, walang nangyayari, it's time to start na mag-build at
Yes.
create ka na ng golden years. So ngayon, kabayan, kung kagaya niyo ako na struggle sa lahat ng bagay, wala akong imposible. Kaya niyo niyan. Ako nga single mom, wala akong oras talaga, matutulog na lang. Tatrabahuin ko pa talaga. Lahat 'yan, ang responsibilidad ng ina at ama, napakahirap 'yan. Pero hindi ko rin alam, ang Diyos lang ang kinapitan ko talaga para magawa ko lahat-lahat. Kaya kung kayo kabayan, kung kayo ho'y naghahanap ng extra income o gusto niyo makapiling din yung mga anak niyo, gusto niyo mag-travel ng kasama yung mga anak niyo, ng buong pamilya, gusto niyo rin magpahinga at magbawas ng oras, puwede niyo ho itong gawin part-time, full-time. Kung kayo ay wala talagang oras, mag-join kayong mag-asawa, puwede niyong gawin 'yan, the best talaga. Join kayong dalawa and the better. 'Yan ho ay the best na solution sa ating mga problema. We are lucky because, the founder in this business they are amazing guys. They are very helpful, polite, honest to all of us na
Yeah, that's
tinutulungan
true,
talaga
sis.
kami. Grabe. Because not only online business, these guys, if we go back to the how we started in here, how I inspired this business, my inspiring in this business is uh the system. The system Kahit saan
Yes,
ka
that's
pumunta,
true, sis.
kahit saan ka pumunta sa buong mundo, kahit na pumunta ka ng beach, kahit na nagkakayaking ka, kahit nagbabasketball ho kayo, kahit na nag-aararo kayo, kahit anong klaseng trabaho meron kayo, guys, ay pwede niyong gawin. Because sa automated system, siyang tumutulong sa inyong business, ang negosyo na to. Basta gawin niyo lang ho yung part niyo, may result hong matatanggap sa business na ito. That is the beauty of this business, guys. Dalhin niyo
Yeah,
man
I
kung
can
saan
relate to
kayo,
you, sis. I can relate
yeah,
sa iyo the as a single mom, syempre may mga biggest whys tayo. Syempre ang ating mga anak. So may mga biggest why tayo. So that is an inspiring business ay yung biggest why mo. So meron akong pangalawang tanong sa iyo. How do you balance your work running this business? And what were some of those biggest challenges?
yeah. Uh, like what I s- like what I said before is paano ko nababalance because pumapasok ako ng 13 hours every day. So nag-reduce ako ng oras. So naging 3 days na lang. Sometimes 4 days po. If I need extra hours kasi responsibilidad, siyempre, kailangan natin yan. Gagawa ako ng list. Sticky note ko sa aking fridge everywhere. Sa may table, sa may computer. Dito sa computer ko,
Yeah.
nilalagyan ko na yan talaga sticky notes kung ano yung gagawin ko ng paggising ko kasi minsan gigising ako ng 5 o'clock, magla-live ako. Minsan gagawin ko na yung mga email ko. Tapos, yung feedback sa mga leads, ayan. Lahat ng communication, lahat ng
Mm-mm.
conversation ginagawa ko na. And the rest, while I'm traveling, going to work, I'm doing business while I'm traveling the train. Tapos minsan, nagla-live din ako pagkatapos ng work. Tapos habang nasa break ako, chine-check ko yung mga emails ko, yung update, nag-a-update ako. So, during my break, I'm too busy. Kumakain ako, ganyan, double time ba because I want the business.
Oo,
I want
sis.
my future. I want something change my life. Kasi kung gusto mo, may magagawa ka. Nothing is impossible. And then, yan ang kinagustuhan ko dito sa business nito dahil kahit saan tayo pumunta ay bit-bit natin may mga result, matatanggap mo lahat yan. That's just inspiring for me. Is the beauty of the business and the training. You got loads of support there, the global community, the system, the mentorship, the coaching. At kahit saan ka basta't may wifi at cellphone ka, pwede mo siyang gawin. Wala
Yes,
hong
tama.
mawawala sa inyo dito sa
Yes,
business
sis.
na ito. Lahat ng
Yes, sis.
support ay nandito na ho. Yan ang
Yes.
napakaganda dito sa business na ito. Kaya ako nag-talk action, walang mawawala sa inyo. Ako walang pera, pero I do the overtime. Talagang kung gusto niyo talaga ng changes, kagaya ng sabi ng iba, I don't have time. Yes, you have time if you wanna
Tama.
change. Yeah, if you
Yeah,
wanna
you have to
change,
put time on it, sis. Kailangan mo lagyan
yeah,
ng panahon at oras. So,
yeah,
relate ako sa'yo doon sa kung
mhm.
paano mo i-balance yung trabaho at yung gusto mong personal life mo dito sa pag-run ng business. So, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Kasi single mom, di ba?
Yeah,
We're single mom.
kahit na hindi single mom, if you wanna change, this is
Yeah. Yes,
definitely
it's
for
for
you
everyone.
because yeah, for everyone. Ang na-inspire ko rito ay no limit. Wala
Mm-mm.
akong required ho na na course. This
Mm-mm.
is no background, no skills, no need a technical savvy. Dahil may training ho tayo dito I am started to zero experience, zero knowledge, zero nothing. So, dito ako natuto. Parang tayo nag-aral dito kasi ang binigyan tayo ng maraming structure dito para matuto. At pwede din natin, kagaya ko, nagtatagalog ho ako kasi hindi naman ako gaano marunong mag-English, kaya magtagalog na lang tayo, sabi ko dun
Tama,
sa
tama.
nag-invite sa akin. So, I don't
Yes,
really care. I'm not embarrassed because a lot of
yes.
people here, they are millionaire now, they using their own language, guys.
Language.
That is,
Yes.
that is true. They are, ito lang sasabihin ko, abogado sila, dental, dentist, doktor, di sila nag-i-English,
Nurses.
nagtatagalog lang.
Nurses.
Ginamit nila ang sarili ng lengguwahe. That is true. So, I am not embarrassed, I am not shy, I am very proud to tell you to everyone, this is me.
True. That's true. That's very inspiring, sis. I have another question for you. How did you overcome your challenges in running this online business? Ano yung mga
Oh.
challenges na in-overcome mo, na kailangan mong i-overcome para
Like,
mag-run ng business na to?
sometimes you experience some emotional because we are in this business. We are not saying because we are business everything is happiness. Sometimes we have results, quick result. Sometimes other people, negative people, they are there. What are you doing? What is that? What is this? Sometimes someone inquiry give you a bully. You know, it's it's not nice. You know what I mean? So all
Yes.
that, ignore them. Ignore them. Stay positive all the time. They are not the one to give you food every day. Hindi sila magbabayad ng bill mo. Hindi sila magbibigay ng pagkain mo sa araw-araw. Hindi sila
Tama.
that you need to do it. You need to overcome all this. So enjoy the journey, guys. Enjoy. Stay positive. Change the mindset. Keep going. Stay positive. Stay motivated. Give it the full dedication in this journey, guys. That is, I can tell you. Be inspired every time. Be inspired. Surround yourself to the people who you think can level you up. Pero ang ano ko lang dito, don't give up, keep going, and keep learning. Yan lang ang ma-advise, masasabi ko dahil ginawa ko yan. Minsan, don't give up to your journey, guys. Keep going.
Yes.
And stay connected, stay focused, and keep posting. Kasi nandito na tayo eh. Huwag kayong mag-give up dahil once na nag-give up kayo, kayong talo. If you wanna change, like what I said before, you wanna change, this is for you. Keep going. Dahil yung business na ito is lifetime. You can build and create your legacy to your family. This
True.
is good. So, ang $149 na yan, guys, ay lifetime, forever. Hindi ho kayo magbabayad every month. So, this business is absolutely amazing to all of us.
Yes, I agree with you, sis. Totoo naman yon that giving up is not an option. Kasi kung gusto mo talagang ma-achieve yung goal mo, at so keep pushing, keep posting, connect with the right people, yung with the same mindset. Kung gusto mong umasenso, sabi nga nila, kailangan mong pagtrabahuan at kailangan mong sipagan, ganon. So before we end this session, sis, any additional message that you can give to our audience, and an inspiring message, yung last message mo sa ating audience, yung inspirational message.
May ihabol ko pa dun sa isa, the overcome. Stay to your goal, your big why. Strong big why, the confident. Huwag tayo magpatalo dan. Kaya makakamit niyo ho yung result, massive result.
Yes.
And my advice is the same. Be patient, guys. Like me, I'm working. I got lots of to do at all the time. Halos hindi na ako ano ko, like this, I'm doing my training. I got lots of to do. My mandatory training in my own job. So, kaya ako doon pumapasok ngayon kasi mayroon akong ginagawa, marami akong ginagawa. So, I need to finish all that. Kaya, guys, smile. Enjoy the journey, guys. Be inspired, be patient, be motivated, keep learning, guys, and strong. Stay challenges all the time. Practice. Practice. Kung, ay, ako nga ho, makapal na yung mukha ko eh. Ano, hindi pa po ako sanay. Kaya,
Yes.
hindi ho tayo expert. So, don't shy. Lahat tayo pinag-aaralan nito. Wala hong mawawala sa atin. Kagaya ng
Yes.
sinabi ko, don't shy to everyone. Kasi para sa future natin to. Yung iba nga dyan, kita nyo naman, yung mga iba, di ba? So, this
Yes.
is good to all of us. Maraming gusto sumali dito, guys, pero gusto nila agad-agad ang result. Tinatanong nila agad kung ano yung result. Tayo ho, kagaya na graduate ka, naghanap ka ng trabaho, how you sacrifice to find your job. Kung gusto niyo mag-build ng store, gusto ko yung karinderya, how you build your karinderya. Kagaya din po to. You need to sacrifice all your sacrifices in time and effort. 10% na lang ho yung gagawin natin. Time is 10%. Effort is 10%. Yan na lang ho gagawin natin ang part natin as a business owner dito. Yung iba, yung automated system na yon na tumutulong sa ating negosyo na kahit saan tayo pumunta. Kahit ka tayo naliligo, may result kung ginawa nyo yung part nyo, di ba? Kahit dito ako nakaupo, may darating na message, but man nag-i-inquiry, may result. Result ho lahat yan. So, keep going, guys. Keep motivated. Be patient. Be resilient. Stay focused and take action, of course. Pag nag-take action ho kayo, solid action from heart. Dedication ho. From your heart, from your mind. But the key is mindset, guys. Yan lang po. You need to
Yes.
change your mindset. Mindset is the key.
Yes.
Kung gusto niyo mabago talaga yung buhay niyo, we been there. So, kailangan ho nating magkaroon ng tibay ng loob at lakas para magawa natin yung we are now here in online era.
Yes.
Nagpupumpisa na, nasa kalahati na ho tayo. Maybe after 2 years, iba na yung routine na naman. Di ba lahat ngayon nasa online na? But you need to be careful to do click in the online kasi marami ng, alam niyo na. So, but this business is legit. Real legit.
Yes.
Rehistrado ho ito. Sa Pilipinas ho is TIN number. Isn't it? TIN number. Ang inaano nila registration doon. So, kung gusto niyo ho magtanong kay kay Kami about the Philippines. Kasi siya ang nakatira sa Makati, so she knows. Andito ako sa United Kingdom. So, anywhere, you can ask. I will search what is the procedure of the Philippines.
Yeah, that's right,
Ayan lang po.
sis. So,
You are all
yeah.
welcome.
So thank
At
you
ito
very
pa pala,
much, sis.
sis. I mean,
Okay. Go ahead, sis.
kahit anong degree kayo, anong profession, you are welcome here. Any profession, kahit wala ho kayong profession, kung kayo ho ay qualified in this business, 18 above, basta may trabaho kayo, you are allowed to register and learn this business. This is free anyway. So, no background needed, no technical savvy, you can start for zero experience. We have a training in here to support you. Coach, mentor, all the tools are provided.
Yes, that's right,
Um,
sis. Yeah, that's right, sis. Thank you so much, sis. I remember nung isendan kita ng message na gusto kitang invite for live interview dito sa aking Facebook page. I know medyo matagal na yon, sabi mo dahil hindi magtakbo yung oras natin. 7 hours ang ating pagitan dyan. So sabi ko, sige okay lang, mag-aantay ako kung kailan ka available na ma-interview kita dito sa aking Facebook page. And this has been a very inspiring conversation. We have marami kaming nakuhang magagandang information sa iyo dito sa kung paano kami magra-run ng aming online business. Tama ka naman. So, thank you so much sa inspiring conversation ahead with you. It's my pleasure having you here, sis. Thank you so much. So for those sa ating mga kababayan na nasa UK, if you have question and comments on how to register o kung paano kayo mag-join dito sa online business na to, you can always feel free to message sa Sis Merly. The website is on the screen. And sa ating mga kababayan na nandito naman sa Pilipinas or sa Middle East, you can just feel free to send me a message. Sis Merly, thank you so much sa
thank
pag-yes mo
you.
sa aking invitation dito sa pag-interview ko sa iyo sa aking page. So that is all from us, guys. This has been a very inspiring session and conversation with my fellow business owner, Sis Merly Eden. So if you have any question, feel free to send us a message to any one of us. Sis Merly is available anytime. Just send her a message and so mine. That's all from us, guys. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.